wala na kaming car kasi no more car next. So, starting today, we are riding a jeepney every day. Diba? It's okay. It's okay. Morning! Say happy Monday. Happy Monday! Mag-aatid ako ng Junaki sa school pero wala pang sasakyan. Yan siya. Wala pa kaming sasakyan. Walang jeep. Nag-aatid kami ng jeep and then going to school na. Are you excited? Ito. Ngayon yung first day ng resume ng class nila after ng holidays. Wala! Kahit para wala. Puno! Puno po! para pero puno. So ayun lang, say bye-bye na. No. Bye-bye na. No. Ayun niya mag-bye-bye. Hi. Hi guys. Ayun lang. So, later again, pagdating na namin sa school. Ayun. Yun is. After mag-jeep, stop kami here. And then, we will walk a little lang. O, diba? Lapit na ng school nila. Yun, your classmate is there, oh. Yun, the classmate is there. Doon na kami, oh. So, malapit na. Papasok na si Buneknek. Yun lang. Say bye na. Bye. Bye. Papasok na yung sa school din mo. There na. Go inside na. Go. Bye. Dismissal na nila yun is. So, nantay ko siya doon pala. Nantay ko siya sa school. Nag-feeding kami. Look at my baby. See, oh. Meron siyang plant set. Who did give you that? Teacher Mami. Bigay daw ng picture niya yung nasa ulo niya. Yun, gusto niya lang i-flex. And now, andito kami sa market. Magmamarket kami ng paninda namin later. So, that's for now. Bye!